Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EURUSD. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome everybody, guys. Let's take a look on the euro currency again. So you can see our yesterday setup has been completed perfectly. Indeed, we saw the 30% retracement on the intraday charts, but market still coiling around the major trend line, as you can see on this daily chart, and it keeps chance on the possible upward continuation. So currently it's a bit nervous moment for overall markets because, as you know, Donald Trump is arriving to the Brussels today. On Monday he will meet Mr. Putin. So it could become really thrilling moment for the markets. Besides, as you can see, some escalating of the tariff spiking between the China and the United States also put some shadow on the European Union, and they see that Donald Trump is not kidding, and it's indeed already discussing of the 200 billions of the new tariffs right now stands on the table. They start to think, the European companies start to think what will happen if the same will be to American relations with Europe. That, of course, keeps under pressure overall sentiment, economy sentiment in Europe, and definitely will press on the European companies. Just the expectation, the scare that really could happen with them as well. So it means that in the nearest week, probably market will be very sensitive to any rumor, any some news in mass media, who will say something, or any comments from the analysis concerning this topic. So we should be ready for greater volatility on the market right now. That's why currently, guys, the situation with the downward reversal or upward breakout has not been resolved yet. So market still stands indecision, and any scenario could follow, especially when they are driving by the external fundamental and political factors. So as I said, if you remember, the breakout here will tell us that probably we could expect further continuation right to the major 618 resistance, 5.8 fib level. Failure to break this triangle and starting downward action here will open road again for a butterfly pattern on the daily chart. It's really possible. But currently, guys, we do not have yet the clear signs what particular scenario will be chosen by the market. So on the daily chart, on the follow time frame chart, this is our large triple to sell pattern. As I said, the CD leg that is flat and an AB usually commonly that leads to reversal and downward continuation. This is signs of the weakness on the market. But currently, guys, we do not see really big signs of the collapse. So we see gradual retracement has completed our minimum target. So it means that we need to wait a bit more. That's why we just currently we could focus only on some small patterns, just very very short-term patterns, while we're waiting for bigger signal, bigger clarity on the perspective of the market. So what we have on hourly chart, here's our hand shoulders. As you can see, it's worked perfectly. Indeed, market has completed the target that we have specified. We said the butterfly could be treated as a completed or reaching the minimum target if market will show retracement to the 30% of the whole butterfly body. And that indeed has happened, so right here. Now we'll see bounce up. Here is the different scenarios are possible. First of all, here you can see minor shape of the, I'm not calling it as a hand shoulders, but it's a kind of shape that could provide a kind of a guard triple to sell. Market could retest, for example, this trend line. This is a short-term opportunity for taking the short positions. Market could start move down. If price will start dropping and taking out these lows, this will be confirmation that probably we should be ready for the downward action. So currently, guys, I did not see something special, except maybe just trying to catch some clear short-term pattern as we did yesterday. So we saw the hand shoulders. We said, well, you could try and take short with the target around 1690. That has been completed, so 30%. Now market stands in retracement. Trend line has been retraced, pull back. So if we will get, for example, kind of the ABC reaction here, that will be regarded as cheaper to sell. You could try and take the short position. Here is also was, for example, kind of pattern. So we've got this ABCD downward action. This could be treated as regarded as cheaper to buy with this upward retracement. So something of that sort, nothing more. Because we to make the bet on some greater scale, we need some more clarity. And particularly speaking, we need the clarity of this triangle. So whether this will be broken up, and we should be ready for taking the long position, or our triple to sell pattern starts to work aggressively, and market will start dropping. That will be quite another tune in this case, where I will be focused on the downward continuation. And if this drop will start, I will not be surprised if market will start action to the 114.50, our major weekly confidence support. So that's what we see right now on the euro currency.